Hello boys, today I am explaining what is SB Post in Mürgi Explorers. SB Post is like base, Mürgi Explorers base in other world, like its original word. So it means, SB means like safe base, safety, safe bases that you can hide from, like base. And post is outpost. The out is cut out of that word. So that is what means SB Post. So maybe in other video I'm gonna say SB Post too, then you know it. I mean like the base. So please like and subscribe. Bye boys.